Once upon a time, there was a mother who took her son to the park for a fun outing. After playing in the park, the little boy started feeling hungry. So he went to the park canteen and bought some biscuits. Without thinking much, he quickly ate the biscuits. After a while, the boy started experiencing pain in his stomach. Concerned, his mother took him to the doctor. The doctor examined him and discovered that the pain was caused by germs. The doctor explained that the boy hadn't washed his hands before eating the biscuits, which allowed the germs to enter his body. The doctor provided medicine for the boy, and the mother took him back home. When they arrived home, the mother sat down with her son and explained to him the importance of washing hands before eating. She told him that by washing hands, they can protect themselves from getting sick. The boy listened attentively to his mother's words and made a promise to always wash his hands before eating anything. He understood that washing hands before eating can prevent the spread of germs and keep him healthy. From that day forward, they both followed the habit of washing hands before every meal. They understood that by practicing good hand hygiene, they could stay away from illnesses and lead a healthier life. Remember, it is necessary for all of us to wash our hands before eating anything so that we can protect ourselves from getting sick.